everyone. Welcome to the Century Law Firm channel. I hope you all are doing well. I am Ayush Jaiswal, an intern in Century Law Firm. So, today we are going to discuss on the topic trademark in India. If you are a person who are interested in law, business or startup, then this topic is going to be extremely useful for you. So, before we proceed, let me ask you a one simple question. Do you recognize a brand like Apple, Gucci, or Nike by its product? No. You recognize it by its symbol or logo. So, what is a trademark? A trademark is a symbol or a sign that help us identify the product which differentiate others brand from each other. So, under section 21ZB of the Trademark Act 1999, a trademark is a symbol, color, sign, or a logo. Let us move ahead and see why should you register your trademark. Now you all will be thinking, why should we register a trademark? You should compulsorily register a trademark because it will give you a ownership over the brand name and logo. It will help you to build your brand trust and value to the customers, and no one would able to copy it or use it. For example, if you have opened any cafe for any name and you have not registered the name in the trademark URL, so after a some time, you all will find that someone else has used your name and started a business. So, it is important for you to compulsorily register your trademark because you will be able to take a legal action against them. This is why registration of trademark is important. There are many types of trademark. For example, product trademark, service trademark, well-known trademarks. Product trademarks like you can take example of Amul butter or Amul milk. They all are product trademark because they have a products. Service trademark, they are this trademark which are used for the services like Ola, Uber because they are providing a services to the customers. Well-known trademarks. Well-known trademarks are the trademarks which are from the generations like Google, Coca-Cola. They are the well-known trademarks. Let us move ahead and see what is trademark infringement. Trademark infringement happens when somebody else uses your registered trademark as a logo or a name. This causes confusion between the customer and affects the brand value. For example, if you are selling a shoes under the name of Adibas with the same logo, the customer will be affected. They will think that it is associated with Adidas only. This is a trademark infringement. In such cases, the trademark owner can go to court and seek for remedies such as injunctions, damages, and also they can claim for the misuse of the representations. Moving ahead, do you all know that the domain names are also protected as a trademark? Yes. In the case of Satyam Infoway Limited versus Sifinet Solution Private Limited, the Supreme Court has held that the domain names have all the characteristics of a trademark. The brief fact of the case was that the Satyam Infoway was a well-known company who was providing internet and IT services. They have registered the domain name, namely sifinet.com and sifinet.net. The SafeNet Solution Private Limited started using the same domain name such as safemall.com, safenet.com. Because of this similarity, the customer were getting confused and believed that both the companies were connected. The issue before the court was whether the domain name are considered as a trademark protection. The Supreme Court ruled in the favor of Satyam Infoway Limited, stating that the domain names have all the characteristics as a trademark and the domain name are not just an internet address, it is a business identifier. Using of a similar domain name can cause the goodwill of a business and the customer confusion. The Supreme Court restricted Sifinet Solution Private Limited and uphold the rights of a Satyam Infoway Limited. To conclude, a trademark is considered to be a backbone of the brand's quality. Whether you are a legal professional, a startup, or a business owner, Understanding the concept and importance of a trademark in today's world is very important. So, if you found this video helpful and interesting, please like, share, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.